go ahead and hide y'all nigga. Hide his ass, okay? Because what y'all was gonna do when he see me? In this look right here. And this look right here is so cute. It matches my nails. It's something fun. I want to do something different. Oh, best part. $5. Hey, $5. Y'all be sleeping on the beauty supply store. Y'all be, you know, Sephora and Ulta. Baby, no. That's not where it's at. That's not where it's at. I went to Sephora one time for some mascara, $30. $30? Yeah. They had me fucked up. That blush I used in the video, it was very expensive. Very, very expensive. But this right here, inexpensive. Baddie on a budget. Baddie on a motherfucking budget, because Lord knows I'm on a budget. So I started off with this Pro Concealer by L.A. Girl in that nude color. It's the lightest shade that they have. And I'm just using that as a base, so when we apply the eyeshadow, it's nice and bright. Next, I took this L.A. Colors eyeshadow palette, and I used the pink as a base to begin my cut crease. I applied several layers so that the eyeshadow really stands out, because it's a cheap palette. Now I'm taking that same concealer and I'm creating my cut crease. What I did was I outlined the hoods of my eyes with a flat brush. So it's not really, you know, some magical method to get in a cut crease. You just want to outline your own natural eye shape. You want to take your time when you're doing it, just so everything is even and everything is perfect. Now I'm taking that same palette in the purple shade and I'm applying that to the ends of my cut crease and blending it into the previous shadow that we applied, that pink shadow that we first applied. And I'm doing that on both sides. I'm taking the green shade and I'm applying that next. Being careful to take my time and blend it softly into the purple shade so it doesn't end up being one shade, like it's 3 different colors. Now lastly, I took the yellow shade and I just put that on the inner corners of my eyes, and that's the look. Now I'm taking this matte foundation by Ruby Kisses. It's my first time using it and I loved it. I used it in the shade Caramel, and as you can see, I'm using the back of my brush to apply my foundation. Leave me alone. Okay, that's how I apply it. Leave me alone. Now I'm taking this beauty blender. It's so pretty, right? I'm taking this beauty blender and I'm just blending everything in so everything's nice and even. And as you can see, it's a little bit light for my face, but I always say go lighter on the foundation because you can always darken it up. Now that that's done, I'm taking the Pro Concealer in that same nude shade. It's the lightest shade that they have, like I said before, and I'm putting that under my eyes. Eyes are nice and bright. Now I have my Fenty Beauty concealer that I'm using right under that. You guys saw from my previous tutorials, I just like using different shades of concealers so under your eyes look really bright, and it's like an ombre effect on your face, and it looks really nice. Applying it to the lightest parts of my face, and now I'm blending. I ended up using a brush because that beauty blender, it has so much foundation on it that I couldn't even use it to blend my concealer, or it would be 2 different shades. Now that that's done, I'm taking this 3D Contour Artist Cream Contour and I'm highlighting the darkest parts of my face. So cheekbones, forehead, and I'm also using it to contour my nose. We're not using the powder on my nose this time. I always say with makeup, you want to do all your creams first and then all your powders next. You just want to stay really uniformed and organized with how you apply your makeup. As you can see, I'm just tracing my nose right here. Now I'm blending everything in. Looks like I'm being really rough, but I swear I wasn't even tapping that hard. It looks so rough though. And I'm also blending in my nose. You have to blend in your nose. You cannot just draw them two lines and no. Now I'm taking my Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX powder and tracing over my concealer. This is just gonna make everything matte and everything set. Now I'm setting my contour with Makeup by Mario contour powder, and I'm just applying that to my face, cheekbones, forehead, as you guys can see. Now Makeup by Mario has this eyeliner that I'm obsessed over, and I use it with almost all my looks. And it helps you create that perfect winged liner that's not too dramatic and it's not too subtle either, so you can actually see the difference before you use it and after you use it. Now I took that mascara by Ruby Kisses and I just used that on both of my eyelashes. After that, I have that L.A Colors eyeshadow palette that I'm using the same colors from earlier, and I'm just tracing my waterline. Lastly, I use that eyeliner after I apply the eyeshadow, and right here I'm applying my lashes. Like I said, I can't do it with tweezers, I just use my hands. So, I got a new brush today. I'm cheating on CoverGirl, baby. I got half new Groff Labs. You know? Today I was feeling bougie. Look at it. Beautiful. Anyway, take a little bit of that and just apply it to the cheeks. Yes. Yes. Let's do the lips. We're gonna do a bright lip. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. I swear the next tutorial I'm gonna use me a different lip because I know y'all tired of seeing this dollar beauty supply store lip gloss. Well, listen, babe, it goes with a lot. Okay. So I'm pretty much done, y'all. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss to flat iron my hair. I'll be right back. Like I said in the last video, baby, hide your nigga. Hide his ass. Put him away. Let's take a fucking moment to get into this look. Do y'all see me? Check me out. Check me out, because baby, one thing about it, two things for sure, I'm gonna come with a look. Okay, I'm gonna come with a look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Baby, it's late at night. I have class tomorrow. But see, I fought with y'all the long way. I fought with y'all the long way. So I had to get me a video in. I have a special surprise coming up I'm so excited. I have a trip coming up. I'm not going to tell y'all where yet, but it's going to be a lot of new things coming. Okay? It's going to be a lot of new things coming. I'm going to make some more announcements in my next video. But for now, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see y'all boys later. Okay?